Welcome. Today I'm going to share with you my method for preparing an egg omelette. A delicious breakfast or dinner dish, easy to prepare and made with simple ingredients. Yet it's rich in vitamins and benefits, in addition to its amazing taste. Follow me through the ingredients and preparation method. 250 grams of small tomatoes, cut in half. Of course, you can use regular tomatoes, but they must be cut into small pieces. You will need approximately 2 tomatoes. 4 eggs. 1 medium-sized onion, cut into small squares. Black pepper to taste. Salt to taste. 3 tablespoons olive oil. I'll now show you how to prepare it. Open the heat to medium. Pour olive oil into the pan and let it heat up. Add the onions. Let them brown slightly in the oil, stirring occasionally. After the onions are ready, add the tomatoes. And a little salt. And a little black pepper. Then stir a little. Cover the pan and leave it on low heat until the tomatoes are wilted. Approximately 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. After all the ingredients are ready, I crack the eggs over the ingredients, like this. Sprinkle a little black pepper over them, and salt. Then I cover the pan and leave it on low heat until the eggs are cooked. You choose the degree of cooking of the eggs. After the omelette is ready, I garnish it with a few tomato slices, feta cheese, and a little parsley. Of course, the garnish is as desired. This is its final form. Serve immediately with bread. Enjoy your meal and enjoy. Try this wonderful omelette, rich in flavor and benefits. And let me know what you think. Don't forget to support me by subscribing to my channel and activating the bell button to receive all my new content. See you in the next video. God willing. Bye.